the Defu track right now. So today I'm going to run my Hyper VSE with this GoPro on my head, and let's see whether I can take a nice good footage of this area of the car running better than the other day. So bear with me, it's my first time working the vehicle with the head strap on, so I won't be able to really see where the vehicle is going. So I hope at least when I track my head down the track, especially over the other side here where there's that big jump under the shadow here. Alright, so I hope to be able to get some nice jumping footage right over this ramp and across to the other side. So again, so here's the danger zone, guys. So if your vehicle drops right smack in between this location here, you can see this squarish frames underneath. Alright, so this squarish frames underneath, they are really hard. They're like steel or something like that. So if your vehicle crashes on it, it's going to be quite bad. So you have to clear the jump fully from that end all the way to this end over here. Alright, the GoPro setting right now is on the what's that, L mode right there. So I think it's I forgot what my wife set it up for me. So I think it's called linear. Yeah, it's a linear mode. So I think there's it's wide, and there's not much distortion on the straight lines, as you can see on the lines of the expressway above. So the view should be just about right. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna stop this video. I'm gonna stitch it together with the running video. So just hang back and enjoy. Alright guys, Reza here again. So today I'll be running the Hobao Hyper VSE, and here's the current setup. Alright, I've got this nice new wheels and tire set from Lewis. This is the Lewis B Pioneer. They look really good. These treads here look really nice and stubby and aggressive, so I think it will dig into the track a little bit more. Under the hood, under the shell, so you can see that this is not the stock Hobao motor. So I swapped out the Hobao motor because I think I was having some problems with the shaft. The shaft had a forward and backwards play, so it was causing my pinion to shift backwards consistently. So this is the Turnergy XK4074 2000 kV motor. I'm running 16-tooth pinion. The other day I was running punch level 7. So what happened was the motor temperature went up to about 85 degrees Celsius, and that was on a fairly warm day. Today, as you can see, it's cloudy, so it's a bit cooler, and I hope that motor temperature will be lesser than 85 degrees. Next thing would be, I think the Hobao A-arms are really nice and beefy and thick, but the problem is they start to rub on the inside of the wheels. So I had to reduce the dual rate, so I might have less steering. I've also adjusted the toe in and the toe out of the front wheels, because the Hobao toe outs are really aggressive. So this is the current setting right now. So I hope you can see that. Yeah, that's right. So this toe out is way less aggressive. The Hobao one was all the way out this way. So I've reduced the toe out for the front. I've hammered back the rear shock tower, because from the last session the shock tower was bent all the way that way. So now the shock tower is a little bit straighter, so that's okay. So you can hammer this back, and that's pretty much it. So I want to check whether the steering will have still have good turns here despite me reducing the dual rate, means the range of motion of the front tires here. Alright folks, so just hang back. I'm going to pause the video, and then I will put everything together and we'll be on the track real soon. Alright guys, Reza here again. So now the Hyper VSE is on the track with the Lewis B Pioneer tires and wheel set. Alright, I'll try my best to track the vehicle. Now there's at least two things here that you have to bear with me. Number one, I'm a truly newbie in terms of running on the track, so it will be slow. I hope to get some exciting jumps and all that, but generally, you know, I'll try not to kill the car today. Two is I'm still working with this new mounting because it will be lighter for me. Previously I like to work with the gimbal strap to the transmitter, but that's really heavy for me to work with in terms of a running video and me talking through it. Unless I'm shooting like a music video, that's a different thing. So here, just bear with me. I will try and track the vehicle as best as possible, working around the track here, and I'll try to stay as still as possible and work through all the locations, right? Alright, here's that big jump, which I'm gonna slowly take it easy now. Oh, there, I'm stuffed. Maybe let's try and work this position here. This is still like a warm-up round for me. The tires clearly have better grip than the stock tires though. It's nice, and I think it has a little bit more ride height. Oh crap, there we go. Let's work that again. Try and clear this jump here. Find a nice angle to stand from. Yeah, just maybe here. Oh, crap. So the sun has come up, which is great. Ah, that was nice. Pretty good. Okay, here I can't estimate that turn a little bit. Oh, okay, slow it down. Alright. Shit. So here is a testament of the durability of the Hyper VSE, because you know, I'm barely surviving the track. Okay, let's pull it straight a little bit more. Oops. I'm running HRB 2S 6000 milliamps LiPo 50C. Yeah. It's just unfortunate that there's not enough lighting underneath the track here. So now this guy, I think I got to double throttle that one. Yeah, I'm liking the tires. I think it's really nice for bashers like me. Gives me a bit more cushioning on the landing. The tire compound is soft. Let's try it out again. Whoa. Let's try that again. It's about 3/4 throttle or so. Alright, just getting a hang of this guy here. Oh! Oops. Well, thankfully on this side, it's generally soft to land because of the leaves, but there's still rocks and those palm trees. Alright, I'll try and get back to the same place. Which is, yeah, right about here. I'm making the jumps, but I'm not making the alignment. Looks like another bent shock tower for sure today. I have to work my hammer time. Showing signs of slight bending already at the rear. I guess just like all metals, once it's bent and bent back, it will lose its strength. So, well, come on, man. Alright, did it. Whoa, stuffed. Let's get a little bit closer here. I think I want to try this. Take it a little bit more momentum. Nope. Okay, I'm determined to get this jump here. Let's try that. There. I'm gonna try that again. Okay, let's create that momentum from the turn. Oof! Wow. It's almost cleared, almost cleared. Nice, but the landing, so far so good, folks. You can see this Hobao Hyper VSE taking quite a bit of a beating with the jumps here. Let's do a couple more and then I'll do the laps again. Oh no, not confident. I'm gonna get back. Oopsie, what's happening? I just lost power. That's interesting. That is interesting. What just happened here? Alright, I hope it's not a problem from here on. Oh, guys. Alright. Yeah, I am having problem with the switch. Let's try a couple more. Maybe when it jars, it will switch off. There we go. Ah, this sucks. Alright guys, I have to stop the video now and do some diagnosis on that switch. But I hope you've enjoyed yourself here. Again, a quick overview of the Defu 18 track here, so you can come and come with your friends, you know, come enjoy yourself, clean up after you're done, and then have a great day. Alright folks, Reza here, Monster X RC, signing out.